Assalamu alaikum, dear parents and lovely students. Hope all of you are fine. I'm Madeeha from Multan Public School. I'm your social studies teacher. Dear students, today our topic is school. Dear students, tell me why we go to school. Okay, let me tell you why we go to school. School is a place where we go to learn knowledge and manners. We learn many things from school. Let's start reading. Unit number 4, Lessons and Games. Unit number 4, Lessons and Games. Topic 7, School. Yasir and Anam go to school. They go to school to learn many things. Dear students, do you like to go to school? Yes. School is a place where we learn many things. Yes. Let's know what we learn in school. Dear students, guess what they are doing? Yes, they learn to write and read. In this picture, they learn to write, read and write. Okay, students, tell me what she is doing here. They learn about numbers. They learn about numbers. She is learning numbers. Dear students, guess what they are doing here? In school, what they are doing? Yes, they learn to use computer. Do you like to learn about computers? Yes, they are also learning about computer. They learn to use computers. In this picture, guess what he is doing? Yes, he is learning about art. Do you like art lesson? What you learn in art lesson? You learn paint pictures and making many things with different materials. They learn to paint pictures and make things. Okay, I think this is your favorite picture in this lesson. Do you like to play with your friends in school? Yes, they are also playing with their friends in playground. They also play games and have lots of fun at school. Okay, dear students, it's time for exercise. Question number 1 is, why do you come to school? Dear students, why do you come to school? Dear students, you will write its answer on your neat notebook in a neat handwriting. You will write its answer, why do you come to school? Which is your favorite activity in school? Dear students, you will tell about your favorite activity in school. You will write your favorite activity name. Question number 3 is, do any of the children in the pictures above have a uniform like yours? Look at all the pictures carefully and give answer. Do any of the children in the pictures above have a uniform like yours? You will write your answer in a yes or no. Now let's start work page. A part is, name 4 things that you enjoy doing in school. Dear students, you will write 4 things name, 4 activity name that you do in a school. Reading, writing, painting, playing, different activities you will write in these lines. B part is, put a circle round the things you learn at school. Dear students, here are different activities are there. You will circle these activities. Sums, writing, reading, fighting. Do you learn fighting in school? No. You're a very good student. Flying. Do you learn flying in school? Drawing. Do you learn drawing in school? Shouting. Is it good thing to learn? No, it's not good. Games. You learn different games in school. Computer. Do you learn computer at school? Then you will round circle these things. Singing. Do you learn singing in school? Bad manners. Do you learn bad manners in school? We come to school to learn good manners, not bad manners. Handicrafts. Do you learn handicrafts at school? These are the activities you learn at school. You will round circle these things. C part is, what are these? Dear students, carefully see these pictures and then write the name of these things. Tell me what things you can see in this picture. Yes, pencil. Yes, ruler, pencil box, colors, color box, razor, sharpener, notebook. You will write these names on your book. This is all about from my side. Discussion time is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Thank you.